डिवोटी, भक्त का।
Service of Lord.
हाँ?
Service of Lord.
Service of Lord, yes. To go back home, yeah, हाँ. But how? Like, what is the identity? So उसी से related है, identity क्या है? हैं? उनका अंश है, हाँ ठीक है, वो एक
उन्हीं की भक्ति करना हमारा धर्म है।
हाँ बिल्कुल सही, बिल्कुल सही। हमारा क्या, हमें उनकी भक्ति करनी है, बिल्कुल सही। हमारी आइडेंटिटी क्या है? जैसे मेरी आइडेंटिटी क्या है? अगर कोई मुझसे पूछेगा ब्रजेश, सो अगर कोई अननोन पर्सन मुझे, जब मैं अपनी मीटिंग्स में मिलता हूँ किसी से, लाइक व्हेन वी आर नेटवर्किंग, सो दे आस्क मी हु आर यू, आई डोंट से जस्ट ब्रजेश, आई से आई एम ब्रजेश, आई मैनेज कमर्शियल लैंडिंग ऑपरेशन फॉर कॉमनवेल्थ बैंक, दैट्स व्हाट आई इंट्रोड्यूस। लेकिन कोई बंदा अगर सपोज आई एम इन यूरोप, कोई मुझसे पूछता आप कौन हो? ब्रजेश फ्रॉम इंडिया, है ना। अब इंडिया में अगर मैं दिल्ली में खड़ा हूं और कोई बोलेगा आप कौन हो? ब्रजेश फ्रॉम इंडिया, इट विल बी स्टूपिड, है ना। तो मैं क्या बोलूंगा? मैं ब्रजेश हूं। कहां से हूं? राजस्थान से, आई एम फ्रॉम राजस्थान, है ना। सपोज मैं राजस्थान में हूं, तो मैं क्या इंट्रोड्यूस करूंगा अपने को? ब्रजेश फ्रॉम अजमेर। आई विल नॉट इंट्रोड्यूस कि मैं ब्रजेश कहां से हूं, राजस्थान से, क्योंकि मैं राजस्थान में खड़ा हूं, है ना। सो नाउ आइडेंटिटी जो है, दिस इज आइडेंटिटी ना, बट ये मेरी आइडेंटिटी है क्या? ब्रजेश फ्रॉम राजस्थान, ब्रजेश फ्रॉम हियर, व्हाट इज माय आइडेंटिटी? दैट सोल की आइडेंटिटी क्या है?
ईश्वर जीव अपना।
वैसे तो हम सनातन हैं, सनातन जब से सृष्टि की है तब से हम हैं।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल सही, हम लोग सनातन हैं, सनातनी हैं, और हम लोग सनातन समय से,
उसको स्प्रेड करना प्रभु नीचे। हाँ,
उसका अंश है, उसी के पास जाना।
हाँ, तो हम लोग सनातनी हैं, हम लोग वी आर इटर्नल। हाँ, लेकिन हमारी आइडेंटिटी क्या है? सनातनी होना तो हमारा एक वो है,
मेटाडेटा।
दैट्स करेक्ट। सो ये क्या है हमारा? मेटाडेटा। सो हम तो ये हमारी कैरेक्टरिस्टिक है, लेकिन हम कौन है? व्हाट इज आवर आइडेंटिटी? ब्रिलियंट, बहुत अच्छा भाव है आपका। बट हाँ, एक सेकंड। यस, वो हमारी आइडेंटिटी क्या है? क्या हो सकती है? प्लीज डोंट हेजिटेट, क्योंकि जितना हम लोग बोलेंगे ना, हमारे अंदर से वो चल रहा है। एक यस, So, very nice. We are part and parcel of God, but जीवेरे स्वरूप होए कृष्णेरे नित्य दास. So that is our position. We are actually servant of Lord, और servant of the servant of the servant of the Lord, है ना. लेकिन क्या है, आप सोचो ये हमारी आइडेंटिटी है ना. कभी ऐसा हुआ है कि हाय प्रभु हाथ में लो, माय नेम इज ब्रजेश, आई एम द सर्वेंट ऑफ द लॉर्ड. कभी हम लोग ऐसे करते हैं? क्यों नहीं करते हैं? क्यों? बड़ा अजीब सा लगता है. क्यों लगता है अजीब सा? बिकॉज वी डोंट रियली मीन इट, है ना. वी डोंट रियली मीन इट. हम लोग बोल देते हैं प्रभु, ललित प्रभु आई एम योर दास, एंड देन ललित प्रभु बोले ब्रजेश प्रभु मुझे पिक कर सकते हो? अरे प्रभु अभी तो खैर खाना खाने बैठ गया था, आई कांट पिक यू अप नाउ. आप एक काम करो, मोहित प्रभु को फोन कर लो. लेकिन अभी मैं 2 मिनट पहले क्या बोल रहा था प्रभु को? आई एम योर दास. सो व्हाट इज द ड्यूटी ऑफ द दास? इज टू सर्व नॉट विद एनी कंडीशन. हाँ, टू सर्व द मास्टर, नो कंडीशन. नो कंडीशन मीन्स जीरो कंडीशन. प्रभु ने बोला पिक मी अप, डजंट मैटर मैं क्या कर रहा हूं, आई गो एंड पिक हिम अप, है ना. अगर मेरे पास कोई और एंगेजमेंट है, दैट मीन्स आई एम नॉट दास, है ना. सो वी आर दास. नाउ वी आर दास, हमें पास वी ऑल आर. इसमें से किसी को डाउट है क्या वी आर दास? नहीं है? ओके ठीक है. वी आर ऑल दास, वी आर ऑल सर्वेंट्स, बट दिस इज आर. सपोज मछली है ना, मछली, when fish is in water, when the only way fish can survive is in the water. You fish को पानी में से बाहर निकाल लो, and then you say I'm gonna give you halwa puri, I'll give you sohan papdi, what is the other thing, fafda, you know, I'll give you, you know, varuni juice, please drink. फिश विल बी हैप्पी? नहीं, उसको मछली को क्या चाहिए? पानी में डाल दो बस। तो हम लोग क्या हैं, हमारा स्वरूप क्या है? हम लोग भगवान की भक्ति, हम भगवान के भक्त हैं, सर्वेंट हैं, सेवक हैं। और अगर हम भगवान की सेवा नहीं करेंगे, लेकिन जो सेवा भाव है वो हमारे अंदर से कोई निकाल नहीं सकता। ठीक है? जैसे मैंने किसी को मैं समझा रहा था कि इफ आई हैव ए बॉल, उसके अंदर मैंने सारी एयर निकाल दी, सक कर लिए, है ना, तो उसके अंदर वैक्यूम बन गया। देयर इज अ वैक्यूम इनसाइड। एज सून एज आई प्रिक ए होल, व्हाट विल हैपन? उसके अंदर क्या भर जाएगा? व्हाटएवर इज अराउंड दिस। तो हम लोग क्या है? हम लोग सेवक हैं। अगर हम लोग भगवान की सेवा नहीं करेंगे तो किसकी सेवा करेंगे? माया की। Who said माया? माया की। We will serve माया। तो कहते हैं माया का दास सदा उदास और कृष्णा का दास बिंदास, है ना। माया का दास सदा उदास, कृष्णा का दास बिंदास। भगवान कहते हैं चैतन्य चरितामृत में, कृष्णा भोली जीव भोग वांछा करे, पाचे ते माया तारे झापोटिया धरे। इट सेज कृष्णा को भूल के जीव, आफ्टर फॉरगेटिंग कृष्णा, द सोल, व्हाट इज सोल वांट्स? भोग वांछा करे, वांट्स टू एंजॉय, है ना। पाचे ते माया तारे झापोटिया धरे, बिकॉज ही वांट्स टू एंजॉय, माया विल कम एंड ग्रैब इट। So what we need to do is we need to become the sevak of Krishna. If you are not, then we'll become a sevak of Maya. Tomorrow is a day where we can actually really be happy in terms of our seva bhav. है ना? कल लोगों को लग रहा है, कल आपको we prepare for, हम लोग किसी का बर्थडे आता है, हम प्रिपरेशन करते हैं ना। कृष्णा के प्रिपरेशन में हमें क्या करना है? We have to prepare ourselves to serve. आप में से कितने लोग हैं जो कल कोई ना कोई सेवा कर रहे हैं? ओके। जो लोग कल सेवा नहीं कर रहे हैं, ट्राई एंड गेट सेवा। देयर लॉट ऑफ सेवा, यहाँ पर वेरेबी रेस कोर्स में देयर इज लॉट ऑफ सेवा अवेलेबल। सो अगर आप लोग नहीं कर रहे हैं तो प्लीज कॉन्टेक्ट पीपल हु आर डूइंग इट। सो प्लीज डू सेवा। अगर आप लोग सेवा नहीं करोगे, तो अगर भगवान की कल सेवा नहीं करोगे तो किसकी सेवा करोगे? माया की। इफ यू हैप्पी विद दैट, दैट्स ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम। Everybody has their own free will. भगवान कृष्णा कहते हैं मैं किसी की फ्री विल नहीं लेता, जिसको जो करना हो करो। ये यथा माम प्रपद्यन्ते ताम तथैव भजामि अहम। जो जिस भावना से मुझे याद करता है, मैं उसी भावना से उसे रेसिप्रोकेट करता हूँ। और अगर कोई मुझे भूलना चाहता है, आई फैसिलिटेट दैट। भगवान कहते हैं मत्तः स्मृति ज्ञान अपोहनम च, फ्रॉम मी कम्स forgetfulness, memory and remembrance. Everything comes from me. If you want to forget Krishna, अगर आपको कृष्णा को भूलना है, किसकी हेल्प चाहिए आपको? कृष्णा की हेल्प चाहिए। You need Krishna. All right. So we are gonna do. Let's listen to a video and then we'll continue. अच्छा, एक्चुअली बिफोर आई स्टार्ट, देयर विल बी, हम लोगों ने मैसेज डाला था ग्रुप में, 23rd को वी आर सेलिब्रेटिंग जन्माष्टमी फ्रॉम 5:30 to 9. इट विल बी अमेजिंग.
A Bentley, the road remains the same, isn't it? Drive a Volkswagen or you drive a Bentley, the road remains the same, isn't it? Whether you speak on a Samsung or you speak on an iPhone X, whoever you're calling remains the same, isn't it? Whether you're flying economy or you're flying business, the destination where you're heading remains the same, isn't it? Whether you're wearing a simple fast track or you wear an Omega or a Rolex, the time remains the same, isn't it? It's quite amazing how we work ourselves up so much with increasing the standard of living that we forget to increase the standard of our life. And which is why wherever I travel, I make an appeal to people. There's nothing wrong with an Omega. There's nothing wrong with a Bentley. God bless you with that, and if you're happy, drive it, no problem. But you're trying to enhance and increase and improvise standard of your living, please, do not compromise with the standard of your life. It's not the standard of your living that makes you happy. It's the standard of your life that makes you happy. And very often, we forget to give attention to those things that can truly make us happy. Which is why I always say, things that you're talking about, they have utility value, right? Not happiness value. Travel business class or first class. Travel, no problem. Drive a Bentley, no problem. But in doing so, never, ever compromise on those principles that also improve the standard of your life. And therefore, I always say, some people are so poor, so absolutely poor that all they have is money. That's all they have. That's all they have. I consider that life a poverty-stricken life. If all you have is money, you're the poorest person in the world. Because there's more to life than money. And there's more to life than what money can buy. And therefore I many times say, if you want to truly know how rich you are, drop a tear and see how many hands come forth to wipe that tear. Ladies and gentlemen, our happiness and our increased standard of life is not in things, it's in people. It's relationships. It's meaningful, heartfelt, deep bondings of love that bring fulfillment to the heart. It's those meaningful exchanges of love that we share with each other in relationships that brings true joy to the heart. And isn't it the greatest irony? There's something that brings in the greatest fulfillment we very conveniently neglect in just running after increasing and enhancing our standard of living.
Okay. So let's spend 5 minutes in talking about what we just heard. Anybody wants to say a few words on what they have learned from the video?
Whether it's how you treat your I forgot.
That's okay. Anyone else? You can, when you remember, we'll come back to you.
As per my understanding,
Closer.
As per my understanding, money is also important too. Without money, we can't do anything.
Yes.
We have to eat. That means we should have
Yes.
some money.
Yes.
Surrounded with good qualities, like a standard of living, quality of living, both are important.
Yes. Very good.
Simply standard of living means if we don't have ego, that's enough. The surrounded people definitely like it.
Okay. Fair. Thank you. बेस कम कर दो इसका. ऐसा लग रहा है कि मैं फिर से समय बन गया. मैं समय हूँ. Thank you, Prabhu. Thank you. I really appreciate it. Prabhu said, money is also important. Standard of living and standard of life both are important. What is the? Yeah. Thank you, Prabhu. Anyone else? Anyone else? Yes. Can you pass on the mic?
The happiness that you get from the material thing, materialistic things, basically is very temporary.
Yeah.
It could be momentary and it will never last, but the happiness that you get from good well-being, your friends, family, people, relationship is something which will be ongoing, which will be permanent and which will keep you going.
Beautiful. Well done. Thank you. Thank you very much. Come over there, over there.
Quite similar to what Mataji said. Sometimes we are so focused on our short-term goals. Like we saw in the video, traveling on a business class can give us comfort and luxury for 10 hours, 12 hours.
Yeah.
But the time that the effort we are sending, it's not worth actually.
Yeah.
The time and effort we would have spent with our kids, we were trying to afford that business class luxury.
Beautiful. Yeah, beautiful. You know, there is always a bargain. Like, you know, what are you losing in bargaining of that? हम लोगों के पास, there is no problem having a Bentley or traveling by business class. लेकिन उसके लिए अगर आपको डबल टाइम ट्रिपल टाइम करना पड़ रहा है, आपके पास बच्चों के साथ समय बिताने के लिए कुछ है ही नहीं, you have no time to spend any time with your kids, and then you are trying to organize a business class ticket. What's the use? You know? Yes, you want to say something, beta?
However you're doing the thing, you're still doing it. So don't focus on how you're doing it.
Beautiful. Very good. Very good. Well done. Thank you, beta. Don't focus on how, like, you know, important is कि हम लोग कहाँ पहुँच रहे हैं. You know, sometimes we are so caught up into कि, you know, I want to travel in this train. अब बैठने के बाद पता चलता है तो देखा ही नहीं कहाँ जा रही थी. I love this train. ऐसा होता है क्या ना? It never happens. Real life में हमारे साथ नहीं होता है. We go to the station and we'll say, oh, this is a brand new train. इसमें बैठ जाता हूँ. नहीं, जहाँ नहीं जाना क्यों बैठे उस पे? लेकिन in normal life, in our material life, we do that. I like this TV. I want to buy this TV. Why? Because I saw someone else. My best friend has that TV. I want to buy the same TV. I want to have the same home theater as my friend. क्या हो रहा है इसमें? You are sitting in a train जहाँ से आपको कहीं जाना ही नहीं है ना? That's the thing. Yes, आंटी जी.
वो कोई मटेरियल लाइफ वाली जो बात है, वो इसको हम अगर ऐसे सोचे कि इसके तो अंत ही नहीं है. अंत नहीं है, हाँ. और इसकी जगह अगर हम अंत पाएं, तो हम संतोष धन, अगर हमारे पास संतोष है और जितना है वो बहुत है, तो बहुत अच्छा. वो कहते हैं गोधन गजधन बाजधन और रतन धन खान. जब आवे संतोष धन सब धन धूल समान. है हमारे पास, अगर हम उसके हिसाब से टेबल चाहिए, ठीक है ना? समझ गया. टीवी छोटा हो या बड़ा हो, ब्यूटीफुल. जो हमारी दिनचर्या है वो पूरी होनी. और उसके बाद बाकी समय प्रभु के लिए. वेरी नाइस. थैंक यू आंटी जी. थैंक यू वेरी मच. ओवर हियर. थैंक यू. संतोष होना बहुत जरूरी है.
I think Prabhu, everything comes with an opportunity cost, you know. So so if we are buying a Bentley or traveling by business class, we also need to, you know, balance that what we are, you know, losing, and if the things that we are losing is we are compromising on our standard of quality of life, so then probably we should not go for it.
Beautiful, very well said. Thank you.
I just want to add to the same thing, not what I said before. The day we realize the difference between needs and wants, I think quite a lot of problem will be solved.
Yeah, definitely. Yes,
there's nothing wrong with having luxuries, but you shouldn't compromise your bhakti for it.
Yes, beautifully, well said. You know what? You can become the most successful materially in the whole universe. But if you don't have bhakti, there is a thing in Srimad Bhagavatam, it says, Shramaha evahi kevalam, which means it's a useless waste of time. Useless waste of time. Not just waste of time, useless waste of time. So, yes, we need to understand. तभी हम लोग कहते हैं ना, somebody asked me, should I do this? Should I don't do this? I ask them simple question. Do you think it's going to impact your bhakti negatively? If yes, don't do it. Doesn't matter how amazing the opportunity is. If it's going to impact negatively your bhakti, then don't do it. Simple as that. Because there is, हम लोग को पता नहीं है हम लोग क्या खो रहे हैं. और वो जिस दिन पता चल जाएगा, it's like ये भक्ति क्योंकि फ्री में मिल रही है ना, we don't value it. है ना, हम दुनिया वालों के साथ ये प्रॉब्लम है. Anything you give for free ना, उनको लगता है इसमें कुछ लोचा है.
That means we can buy a big TV and play Krishna songs.
Yes.
We can go on a business class and we can increase our japa.
That's correct. Very nice. Very nice. So, like somebody was asking me that it is better to cry in a Bentley than a Toyota Corolla. And I said to him, why are you talking about crying? You know, when you're crying in Toyota Corolla, it may be because you had an accident. when you're crying in a Bentley, you know something worse has happened. You know. Yeah, that's it. So yeah, you're right, Prabhu. The thing is, remember, there are a lot of who was Arjuna? Krishna never told Arjun to leave everything and go and do my bhakti. Krishna said, become a king. That means you have everything that you want, but use it in the service of Lord. So, absolutely right, Prabhu. Yes.
In one of Ojasvi Prabhu's morning Srimad Bhagavatam class, he told us that to not give up everything but be the slave of love.
Wow, don't give up anything, just be a slave of love of God. Beautiful. Well done, beta. So, anyone else want to share anything? Have I missed anyone? Okay. Let's go to our session now. So we have, there are 4 principles of Bhagavad Gita. First principle was compassion and non-violence. इसमें हमने क्या देखा था हमने इसमें last week, anybody remembers? What was the principle 1, compassion and non-violence? हम लोग क्या, what is violence in terms of, in reference to this? Meat eating, yes. We're talking specifically meat khana, meat, eggs, fish. It is not very good because we are losing compassion and non-violence because when we are eating meat, हम लोगों को क्या लगने लग जाता है कि it is okay to eat meat क्योंकि some Christians was telling me कि भगवान ने सब कुछ हमारे लिए बनाया है, सारी की सारी प्रकृति हमारे लिए बनाई, everything in this world is for me. तो मैंने उसको बोला धतूरा खा ले, भगवान ने बनाया, भगवान ने तो बहुत सारी चीजें बनाई. You don't eat everything that God has given you, That's why God has given us discrimination. अगर हमारे अंदर discrimination भगवान को नहीं देना होता तो गलत चीजें बनाता ही नहीं. सारी अच्छी चीजें हैं, या तो सही चूज करो या बेस्ट चूज करो, तो आदमी कभी गलती करता ही नहीं है. But that's not growth. Growth means there is I think I've shared this shloka. हम लोगों ने बचपन में पढ़ा था. I think आंटी को पता होगा. क्षमा शोभती, क्षमा means forgiveness. क्षमा शोभती उस भुजंग को जिसके पास गरल हो. गरल means poison. भुजंग का मतलब होता है सांप, snake. जिस सांप के पास जहर होता है उसको शोभा करता है कि वो किसी को माफ कर दे. Forgiveness can only be given by someone who can actually hurt. क्षमा शोभती उस भुजंग को जिसके पास गरल हो, उसको क्या जो दंतहीन विष रहित विनीत सरल हो. If someone, अब snake के पास जहर ही नहीं है, doesn't have poison, then snake बोले जा माफ करा, तो कर भी क्या लेता भाई? अगर नहीं करता माफ तो क्या कर लेता? Nothing, So भगवान ने क्या करा? भगवान has given us all the good and bad and ugly everything, and he has given us discrimination and choice. According to the choices we make, we become that kind of a person. तो हमने देखा था, we lose compassion if we do violence. Then the second bit that we're going to talk about is truthfulness. That means it actually refers to gambling. So gambling करने से we lose our truthfulness. We actually discussed this last time. How is that truthfulness lost by gambling? How? Huh? I love it. Auntie, मस्त चीजें बोलती हैं. Love it. नहीं, gambling से क्या होता है? Gambling से problem क्या है? Addiction, yeah, addiction. And why is it truthfulness की क्या लेना देना इससे? Deceive people, yeah, but what else? Why is वो लोग कर रहे हैं ना deceive, हम थोड़े कर रहे हैं, हम तो सिर्फ पैसा लगा रहे हैं. लालच है, but truthfulness से क्या मतलब?
Because Prabhu, we keep saying that we'll do one more, and because we keep lying to ourselves. There's no.
Yeah, but okay, you're lying to yourself. I like that. That's really good. What else? Truthfulness है और क्या relationship है? Yes.
Because
Mr. Mike.
Mike. Who's got the mic? pass it on.
Gambling's nature is lying. I mean, maybe the games and all the cards.
How is it gambling lying? मैंने बोला है कि इसमें 10 पेजेस 10 पर्चियां हैं, उसमें से if you pick up one, उसमें आपका नाम लिखा होगा तो you will win 10,000 rupees. What's wrong with that? उसमें तो कोई lie है ही नहीं. Why is this gambling bad? No, it doesn't matter. Money is my money. I've earned it really with my blood and sweat. It's a good money. Then what? Why is there truthfulness in it?
What did we miss?
Because it is just a speculation and chance, not your hard work.
Yeah, that's fine. But where is? बिल्कुल सही बोला आपने. But where is the truthfulness? Yes, beta. Humility can be lost. Yeah. Yes. Eventually it will. But where is the truthfulness? It's very important question. क्योंकि अगर हमें ये समझ में आ गया ना, तो it will be very clear to us why gambling is prohibited. हमारे शास्त्रों में gambling करना बिल्कुल मना है. क्यों है? Truthfulness कहाँ से आई? आप लोगों ने जो बोला बिल्कुल ठीक बोला, but where is truthfulness in it? You were very very close. हाँ बेटा.
You do not know if you're gonna win or not.
Yeah, but that's not truthfulness, na? Where is truthfulness coming from? Good.
We lose the control.
Are you going there? Yes, keep going. You lose the
control of
your senses. Yes. And what will happen after that?
Surrender to something, devoting to something.
You what? Very good, good. Surrender to what?
Surrender to
Maya. प्रभु माइक मुंह पे लगाना है.
Surrender to
Maya. Yeah, that's good. You're very close. Truthfulness कहाँ गई? You're very close, bro. अगर मैंने if I win, I'll get addicted. And if I get addicted, next time if I don't win, what will happen?
Because I will try to keep doing it again and again.
And then what will it lead to?
Prabhu, it will lead to us lying to our family.
Yes.
Because we continue to
anything. You will keep lying until. So you will, क्या होता है? When you get addicted, intoxicated, you will start getting into corruption and intoxication and drugs and everything comes from gambling. That's why it's called truthfulness. The thrill of gambling creates an addiction which later leads to felony. आपको पता है 90% of crime happened in America in the late 80s were all related to gambling or aftermath of gambling. Gambling के उससे related सारी चीजों से हुआ था. So that's why it is called. It is not allowed in our. We should not be doing gambling because you gambling away precious time in the wasteful activities detrimental to our spiritual growth. अब हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं? आप लोग यहाँ पर आए हो, ठीक है? अगर आप यहाँ पर बैठे हो, आप लोगों में से there might be some कुछ लोग ऐसे होंगे जिनको लगता होगा कि I don't know ये मेरे लिए सही है कि नहीं है. So what are they gambling with? They gambling with the time कि अच्छा ठीक है मैं जाके देखता हूँ. Not a bad idea. लेकिन जब आपको पता चल गया यहाँ पर मिल रहा है या नहीं मिल रहा है, then you make a decision quickly and you get out of it. So time is God's gift to us. Therefore, we must use it in His loving service. So that's how principle number 2 is no gambling. And the third one is moderation and austerity, which is called intoxication. So animal slaughter, we don't want. We don't do gambling. And we don't do intoxication. Why? What is the problem with intoxication? What is the problem with intoxication? But yeah, if I have one drink every day, I won't lose control. Even government tells me 2 drinks you can drive.
Prabhu, senses, you are not in the good sense, basically.
You are not in a good
tamogun. You are in a tamogun.
Yes, very good. And what does that? But what does that do?
And when you're in tamogun, you don't make good decisions.
Yeah,
you're not in a good energy space. You can.
But I don't agree with you because some people when they get drunk, they say, "I love you." They become emotional. They give you a hug. Say, you know what? You are my best friend. Even I didn't know that until today. So I'm not becoming a bad person. I'm becoming a good person. What's wrong? Huh? इट्स अ गुड पॉइंट, उससे समय के लिए गुड है। दारू उतरी और वो सारी इमोशन गया।
That's not honest.
Hang on. You finished, eh? It's good. Yes, Prabhu. What's the problem with intoxication?
Like the truthfulness is lost there as well.
Yes. How is the truthfulness lost? लोग कहते हैं inhibition चली आती है, truthfulness तो आनी चाहिए, उल्टा क्यों होता है?
Because if they're not speaking with their senses, so
yeah, they are not speaking in their senses. Very good. And what does that do?
They might be lying.
Or they are not sure, है ना? लेकिन इंटॉक्सिकेशन से एक बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग चीज होती है, that we lose. By the way, I'm going to say something which is not going to be very palatable, है ना? इंटॉक्सिकेशन का क्या मतलब है? When I say intoxication, उसका क्या मतलब है? क्या नहीं करना है मुझे?
अल्कोहल नहीं पीना
और क्या नहीं करना है? How about cigarette?
Yes, like.
Can I? No, cigarette is, है ना, intoxication. Alcohol is intoxication. Drugs.
And it can be with the bad thoughts.
How? ना, actually, hang on. How about पान? क्या मैं पान खा सकता हूँ? हाँ, पान है. Is पान intoxication or not?
It is because it has got tobacco. So like betel nut.
हाँ. Is betel nut intoxicated?
Yes.
It is. You're right. Now we are getting somewhere.
How is betel leaf or nut? What is
both?
It?
Supari.
We put betel leaf in the puja.
Yes, we do. Supari. We actually give supari to Krishna.
So how is that?
We don't eat it. You know why? Krishna doesn't get infected by these things we do.
So we can intoxicate Krishna.
Krishna doesn't get intoxicated. The problem is, we do. So we have material body, he has spiritual body. Yes. What else is intoxication? Yes, go ahead. Can I have mic over there, please?
I just want to ask. The other
Can we get the door closed, please? Sorry. हाँ, बोलिए.
Is investing in shares gambling?
I'll tell you what is. हमने last week discuss करा था, ठीक है? Hare Krishna. Sorry. Okay. She asked a question. Is investing in shares gambling?
No.
It depends on how I do it. For example, if I don't do any research, I close my eyes, I say, akkad bakkad bambe bo, 80-90 pure 100 mein laka dhaga, chor nikal ke bhaga, and you pick something and I'm going to put it on it. That is called gambling. But if you do a full research, for example, right now what happening is AI is getting better. Because of AI, general AI any companies who are going to do general AI, they're going to get better. Now general AI क्या करेगा? उसके बाद they will have an issue with, क्योंकि डेटा बहुत सारा है, कहाँ पर? तो डेटा स्टोरेज फैसिलिटीज, उनके शेयर्स बढ़ेंगे, है ना? एंड देन डेटा स्टोरेज फैसिलिटी तो आ गई है, उसमें जो कूलेंट लगते हैं वो जो कंपनी बनाती है उसके भी शेयर बढ़ेंगे. Now this is what? This is not speculation. This is what it is. This is called market research. And now you invest in these things, and if you earn money, that is not gambling. Gambling is when you do this. 100 रुपए रेड पे.
Speculation तो है ही.
Speculation है, but it is based on what? Based on thorough research. देखो speculation तो ये भी है कि I drive from here and I'll be safely reaching to my work. That is speculation as well. You know, anything can happen from here to my work. You know, but what is once we do thorough research in it, and when we invest in it, knowing all the risk and understanding that there is a risk in there, and try to minimize that risk, it's called investment. Otherwise, it is called gambling.
And what about
risk में, हाँ.
Like what about playing tombola when we
that जब खेलते हैं ऐसे, it is gambling. It is gambling. क्योंकि क्या होगा? माया के साथ प्रॉब्लम क्या है पता है? It goes like a pin. एक पिन की तरह अंदर जाती है, and it comes out like a plow. हल के जैसे बाहर आती है, सब कुछ उधार देती है. So tambola is that pin.
क्यों प्रभु मेहनत कर रहे हैं, लाइन्स काट रहे हैं.
So what you do is housey and these kind of stuff. I mean, if there is money involved in it, I don't think we should do something like that. We should play. There are a lot of other games which are better than Tambola. But कहने का मतलब ये है कि it is important for us to understand what is gambling. So thank you for asking that question. Does it make sense though? Yeah.
Madhuri, I'll add one point to that. The way I started looking at it, there are companies which are humanity plus companies, and there are companies which are humanity minus companies. Like Coca-Cola, I would never invest in Coca-Cola because
doesn't matter how much share they have. Like cow slaughter agencies, they are very profitable. If you invest in that, you're doing all of that.
So invest in companies which bring humanity up.
Yeah.
Or
Ethical, yeah. Thank you, Madhaji. Thanks for adding that. Okay, someone else had something here, right? Okay. Okay, we were talking about what else is intoxication. We were talking about intoxication. So, drugs, smoking, drinking. How about
Netflix?
Huh?
Netflix.
Before that, that's subtle. I'm talking about gross. Let's cover all the gross elements first. Then we'll go to subtle.
It's like in simple words, intoxication means which controls the mind.
Yes, that's correct. And our habits. For example, how about tea? Coffee? Huh?
Because if we
How about Coca-Cola?
Yep.
Why Coca-Cola? What's wrong with Coca-Cola? Yes. No. Huh?
Where's the mic?
Mic. So if you put a tooth in Coca-Cola for a month, the tooth actually dissolved. That's what he's saying. Is that what he's saying? Yeah. So Coca-Cola is not good. Not because of that only, beta. Because it has caffeine in it. And caffeine is what? Chocolates has sugar. Sugar is actually addiction as well. But sugar is not as bad as caffeine. But there is, अभी सबसे बड़ा addiction क्या है? Sugar addiction. But हमारे शास्त्रों में you can have as much sugar as you want, as long as it's offered to the Lord, and as long as you don't have diabetes. But chai, coffee is also intoxication. Now I come back to the same thing. How is intoxication an issue?
Mic.
Where's mic?
When we drink coffee or tea,
Close.
Okay. When we drink coffee or tea, we cannot say you are my best friend. Actual alcohol, we do that. What's the difference?
Now we're going deep into it. Like it. So chai and coffee, tea and coffee, they are brain stimulant. It's called stimulants. So हम लोगों को the only thing that will help us grow as a good human being is mode of goodness. Tea and coffee, they increase our mode of passion. So in scientific terms, they are called brain stimulant. That means what happens is, what is the stimulation of a brain means? Right now, when every day we have 60 to 80,000 thoughts in our head. But if you're drinking tea, coffee, that 80,000 can go up to 120,000. कोई बोलेगा इसमें क्या problem है? What is the problem? 180,000 था, 120,000 हो गया. Problem क्या है? What is the problem?
Brain fatigue.
Brain fatigue. But how? Good.
Decision fatigue basically.
Decision fatigue. That's exactly right. क्यों? क्योंकि क्या होगा? आपने देखा ना कंप्यूटर में, if I open 20 windows, what happens to the computer? It goes slow, है ना? Unless आप है 8 GB RAM, है ना? और 16 GB, इसमें 16 GB है now. Still gets slower. तो हमारा दिमाग में भी क्या है? It's a very amazing chip. तो क्या होता है? When we have too many thoughts, what happens? Processor becomes slow. And we will not be able to make right decision because we are in a mode of passion. आपको पता है, when we get angry at our loved ones, जब हम किसी को डांट देते हैं, ऐसे कैसे कर दिया तूने? How did you do that to me? बाद में हमें पछतावा होता है. जो हम लोग डांट रहे होते हैं, we are in a mode of passion. So कोई भी intoxicant होता है, it increases your mode of passion. जब mode of passion increase होता है, we lose our balance. उनमें पता क्या होता है? They are so, उनमें तमस इतना ज्यादा होता है there are people that I know in my family, they can have चाय पी 2 मिनट के अंदर खराट है. कैसे? Because they have so much of tamas in them that stimulant will not create passion, but it will increase tamas. It is आयुर्वेद के हिसाब से क्या होता है? आयुर्वेद के हिसाब से बोला जाता है when there are 5 airs in our body, you know, what is it called? Pran, Apan, Vyan, Udan and Saman. There are 5 airs in our body. When the balance is, उसका बैलेंस गड़बड़ हो जाता है, that's when हमारी डिजीज शुरू हो जाती है. Now when people are in mode of सतगुण, all the airs are in balance, है ना. लेकिन जैसे ही हम तमोगुण और रजोगुण में आते हैं, when we come to these 2 other gunas, mode of passion and mode of ignorance, those airs behaves differently. So what happens is those brain stimulant like coffee and tea, they should increase the number of thoughts, but because they are in a mode of ignorance, those thoughts they will still have those thoughts. They will have bad dreams. They will sleep. They are sleeping. Their mind is active. When they will wake up, they will not feel rested, because sleeping does not mean कि आपके thoughts चले गए. Sleeping does not mean that you have no thoughts. Sleeping means I am thinking in a different manner now. तभी तो क्या होता है, when you are sleeping, sometimes when we sleep for 8 hours, we get up so angry. Why? Because operating system was operating the whole time. You know? So that's what happens. So, but इस balance समझ में आ गया. What is the other thing that is lost? It is called, what is austerity? What is austerity? No.
The ability to manage money.
Yeah, that's ability to manage money is actually big austerity. आप क्या बोल रहे थे bro? Discipline. Yes, very good, very close. So discipline क्या मतलब है? What is the meaning of it? Voluntarily you put yourself in discomfort for the higher gain. You know, आज मैं, if I wake up early in the morning today, it's a austerity, but it's for higher gain. जब हमें इंडिया जाना होता है, we can get up for higher gain, because for us going to India is a higher gain, है ना? Or not losing $1,000 worth of ticket money is a higher gain, है ना? तो हम लोग उठ जाते हैं. Suppose when you go to gym जाते वक्त, gym में भी people don't enjoy. Some people, one of my friend, he is a gym junkie. He was telling me, मैं उसको बता रहा था ये, austerity means that you do something which you don't like gym. He said, no, I like gym. I said, you like gym? Why do you like gym? You like the after effect of gym or in the gym? He goes, I like going to the gym. I may not like the exercises, but after that I feel good. I said, yeah, that's called voluntary discomfort में अपने आप को डालना, उसको कहते हैं austerity. Now, how is austerity related to intoxication? How is austerity is lost with intoxication? क्यों होता है ऐसा? It's a very deep subject. That's why I want you to think. क्यों होता है? Why is austerity linked to intoxication? Intoxication से मेरी austerity में क्या problem आ रही है? प्रभु ने बोला, हाँ बोलिए. You're not in control of your senses, but because you're not in control of your senses, what happens? Decision making is not there, and then you will make a decision which is bad, short term, and you know, I remember in school mein, I had a friend who used to have intoxication, and one day we were in the classroom and examination ho rahe the, and this guy was trying to cheat. So the principal came and this kid was बहुत ज़्यादा परेशान था वो. Principal आ गया, वो आगे से निकल रहे थे. He saw him cheating. He came inside. He took his paper. उसका paper ले लिया. What does that mean? He's gonna fail, है ना? He got so upset. He got up and slapped him. Slapping a principal. Imagine, he was kicked out of the school straight away, but he regretted. Nothing happened after that. क्यों? What happened? You have no decision making. आपने क्या करा? Impulse में आके you made that decision because you have never, आपने अपने body को कभी तकलीफ में डाला ही नहीं है। अब वो एक माँ के लिए रात को उठ के बच्चे को दूध पिलाना इज नॉट इजी थिंग, वो ऑस्टेरिटी होती है। अभी भी बच्चों को सुबह से लेकर शाम तक देखना, इट्स एन ऑस्टेरिटी। क्यों? क्योंकि जो भी बच्चा कर रहा है, जो भी बच्चा मांग रहा है, वी स्पेंड दैट टाइम, वो ऑस्टेरिटी है। क्योंकि हम अगर वो बच्चा एकदम शांत होगा, विल बी अ लिटिल बिट मोर हैप्पियर। लेकिन बच्चा नहीं है शांत, तो वी डू व्हाटएवर इज नेसेसरी, दैट्स कॉल्ड ऑस्टेरिटी। लेकिन व्हेन वी टेक इंटॉक्सिकेशन, हमारी ना वो डिसीजन मेकिंग कैपेसिटी खत्म हो जाती है, एंड देन वी मेक रॉन्ग डिसीजंस। सो व्हाट इट डज, इट्स अ स्लो पॉइजन। It deepens the illusion of misidentifying with the material body and mind, and that is the main thing. क्या होता है कि what happens is intoxication हमें क्या करता है, more you drink alcohol, even चाय, coffee, more you will identify with this body. This is related in हमारे शास्त्रों में लिखा है। आपको पता है इंडिया में चाय और कॉफी का कोई चलन नहीं था। आपको पता है कब आई चाय और कॉफी? अंग्रेज लेके आए ना। There is who was the first person who came before the East India Company came to India? He was, I can't remember that lord. He's something I don't know. Lord Mountbatten? I don't know. Whoever Lord, I don't know क्या नाम था उसका, I can't remember. तो क्या हुआ? He came इंडिया का दौरा करने, एंड ही वेंट बैक। उसकी डायरी अभी भी इट इज इन ए म्यूजियम, हैंड रिटन है पूरा, एवरीथिंग इज हैंड रिटन। उसने लिखा है, इंडिया इज सच ए पावरफुल कंट्री, गोल्डन बर्ड, एंड व्हाट इट इज, इट हैज एवरीथिंग। द रीजन व्हाई दीस गाइज इतने सक्सेसफुल हैं, क्योंकि इनके पास इनकी डीप रूटेड वैल्यूज हैं। नोबडी हैज एनी काइंड ऑफ इंटॉक्सिकेशन। आपको पता है तंबाकू भी हमारे इंडिया में नहीं होती थी। There was no intoxication, पान होता था, है ना? There is not intoxication, है ना? तो क्या हुआ? उन्होंने they said if you want to rule India, you have to introduce two things. पहली चीज थी टी, and second thing is Western influence, हमारी education, है ना? उन्होंने दो चीज करी, infiltrate कर दिया, और आज हमें पता ही नहीं है कि चाय इंटॉक्सिकेंट है, हम लोग मजे से पीते हैं, है ना? लेकिन क्या है, अब इसका एग्जाम्पल क्या है हमारे शास्त्रों में दिया है, एक मेंढक को, एक फ्रॉग को, अगर मैं पानी उबल रहा है ना, इट्स बॉइलिंग वाटर, इफ यू पुट अ फ्रॉग इन देयर, फ्रॉग क्या करेगा, जंप मार के बाहर निकल जाएगा, बिकॉज ही नोज दैट पानी गर्म है। लेकिन अगर उसी मेंढक को, उसी फ्रॉग को, इफ आई पुट इन ए कोल्ड वाटर, और उसको मैं गैस पे रख देता हूं धीरे धीरे गर्म होने के लिए, देन व्हाट विल हैपन, बाय द टाइम ही रियलाइज द पानी उबल रहा है, मेंढक, द फ्रॉग हैज लॉस्ट ऑल इज एनर्जी, उसकी सारी एनर्जी खत्म हो गई है, क्योंकि उसके बॉडी टेम्परेचर चेंज हो रहा है। अब उसके पास इतनी एनर्जी नहीं है कि वो कूद के बाहर निकल सके, देन ही विल डाई, एंड दैट इज व्हाट्स हैपनिंग टू अस। अ फ्रॉग इन बॉइलिंग वाटर विल इंस्टेंटली जंप आउट टू सेव इट्स लाइफ। इफ द सेम फ्रॉग इज केप्ट इन अ पॉट विद नॉर्मल वाटर, द फ्रॉग गेट्स accustomed to it until it's too late. वो इतना जब उबलने लगा पानी, he won't be able to get out, और मर जाएगा वो। Similarly, with regular exposure to these intoxicants, our habits become stronger, and हमारी will power, आप देखना जो लोग people who are intoxication वाले, उनकी will power बहुत कम होती है। One of my friend goes, मैं उसको I was trying to tell him about habits, कहता है यार कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, I can change my habit like this, so he smokes, तो मैंने कहा can you stop smoking? Yeah, instantly. I said, then do it. I don't want to. So I was like, you know, when you're saying you don't want to, that is, do you know that is your habit? He goes, no. मतलब इतना ज्यादा deep, dark mode of ignorance है कि उनको समझ में नहीं आ रहा है कि he is bound by that cigarette. मुझे क्या बोलता? One day we were sitting down and हम लोग खाना खा रहे थे, and मंदिर से देसी घी की पूड़ियां थी मेरे पास 2, मैंने सोचा महाप्रसाद है, खिलाऊंगा उसको। He looked at me, he goes, this is the problem, Brijesh, deep fried, and he had cigarette here because he was going out for a smoke. मैंने उसकी शक्ल देखी, मैंने कहा okay, so this is not good for health, you mean? He said, yes, Brijesh, very dangerous. मैंने कहा okay, thank you for being a well wisher. है ना? So क्या है? Because they don't understand it. Addiction is so much of a problem. It's addiction to worldly name, fame, wealth, beauty, prestige intoxicates our egos with pride and arrogance. I want you to repeat after me. Janmeshware Shruti Shribhir Janmeshware Shruti Shribhir Edemane Madah Puman. What does it mean is Janma, born in a very prestigious family. Janma, Ashwarya, which is, what is Ashwarya? Well, Ashwarya, no. Ashwarya means opulence.
Opulence, sorry, yes.
Samriddhi. Janmeshwar Shruti. Shruti means intelligence, like buddhi. Shruti means knowledge hona bahut sara. Janma Ashwarya Shruti. Shri ka matlab hota hai paisa. Edman Madah Puman. If you have all of these four, they can be a biggest impediment in your bhakti if you use it wrongly. Kya hai problem? Born in a very amazing household. Janma, Ashwarya, Shruti and Shri. क्योंकि ये सारी चीजें क्या करेंगे? हमें अभिमान दे देंगे, है ना? So addiction to worldly name, fame, wealth, beauty, prestige intoxicates our egos with pride and arrogance, and that's why when we have Bentley, it is harder to do bhakti in this world. Comparatively hard. आपको पता है जब सब कुछ सही चल रहा होता है ना, हम एक पर्सन को भूल जाते हैं. वो कौन है? भगवान को. You forget, है ना? क्यों भूल जाते हैं? जरूरत ही नहीं है. सब सही चल रहा है. टेंशन की कोई बात ही नहीं है ना. Everything is hunky dory. Somebody said hunky dory. I don't know what it means, but I mean, कहाँ से आए? But I know it means amazing, but hunky dory, like you know, it's a slang. But कहाँ से आया? I don't know. But what does it mean? सब कुछ सही चल रहा है. इसीलिए भगवान जब कुंती महारानी, she was asking the Lord कि भगवान विपदा, I want विपदा, I want more miseries in my life so that I can remember you. अब आप सोचो कुंती महारानी को क्या मजा आ रहा है क्या प्रॉब्लम्स में? उनको किसी को नहीं मजा आता प्रॉब्लम्स में, लेकिन उनको पता है कि जब मेरे पास प्रॉब्लम्स आएंगी कृष्णा भी होंगे. So she is attached to Krishna. अगर कृष्णा को पाने के लिए प्रॉब्लम से गुजरना पड़ रहा है, so be it. So when you have Bentley, when we have Bentley, it is harder for me to do japa, because when everything is going good, our japa becomes Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. I didn't get, उसका पैसा नहीं आया रवि. Let me message him, Hare Krishna. And then माला करते हैं तो ये उंगली बाहर रहती है ना. वो क्यों बाहर होती है पता है आपको? ताकि we can Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. That's why. आपको पता है? This is the only reason this finger is free, so that we can scroll. No. It's not true. This finger is ego finger. We point to this, so that's why I take it out of the back. So तभी कहते हैं when मेरे साथ I'm telling you, even now when everything is going well with my life, मेरे chanting ऐसी होती है कि I'm thinking of something else.
Prabhuji, for example,
close.
For example, Lakshman, Ramuji ka brother, he born in a king's family. He is still servant of Lord Sri Ram. That means he has indirectly has Bentley.
Oh, that's true. But I'm telling you, the reason is because he is Lakshman. Lakshman is who? Lakshman is Balram himself. He is the first expansion of Krishna. Yes. Actually, there is no real difference between Krishna and Balram. They are both same personality, but he is in a mood to serve Krishna. That's it. Krishna is in a mood to enjoy, and he is in the mood to make Krishna enjoy.
That means whoever had it in the Krishna in mind, they can do it.
Yes.
Rich people or poor people.
They can do it, but it's harder. In Kali Yuga, it's harder to do it when you have everything. It's not impossible. I know personally, the guy from Ford, what's his name?
Henry Ford.
No, his grandson now.
Oh, yes. Amrish.
Amrish. His name is Amrish Prabhu. He is a disciple of Srila Prabhupada, and he still owns Ford, and he is 24/7 doing bhakti. But how many of them are there? We can count them on the hands. The rest are ऐसे लोग हैं जो they are actually in misery, some sort of misery, especially financial misery. But having said that it's not, ये नहीं बोला जाता है कि you should leave. Like I'm earning, I started my own business as well. I want to earn more money, but not at the cost of bhakti. You know? कोई मुझे बोलेगा कि why aren't you growing? You should grow. Yes, I want to grow.
It's kind of devotion management.
Oh, love it. Devotion management. I love it. Thank you, Prabhu. Thank you. So, we'll 2 more minutes and we'll finish. So when used in devotional service, these same resources can increase humility, gratitude, and attraction. Same thing. Janma Aishwarya Shruti Shribhir Ede Mane Mada Puman. If you use your name, like for example, Virat Kohli. आपको पता है विराट कोहली, as soon as he went to spiritual realm, there are a lot of people, बहुत सारे ऐसे लोग हैं जो उसके कारण chanting कर रहे हैं अभी, क्योंकि विराट कोहली उसका नाम है इतना, नेम इतना ज्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग है, people जो उसको फॉलो कर रहे थे, they are all chanting now. So sometimes your fame you can use in the service of Lord. So Janma Aishwarya, your opulence, Shruti, your knowledge, you can use your knowledge to help people lift up. And Shri, like Paisa, if you do a lot of things, you can use the money. Because even to run a temple, you need money. You cannot do it without money. So all of these things, Janma Aishwarya, Shruti, Shri, Bhir, you can use, when they are used in devotional service, the same resources can increase our humility, gratitude, and attraction towards the Supreme Lord. Okay, I think we should stop here. Kids are getting restless.
I'll give you a simple example.
Yes, close.
I'll give you a simple example. Recently, I seen one movie called Mahavatar Narsimha.
Yeah.
Because the director is from ISKCON.
Yeah.
Because of his knowledge, everybody while watching the movie, it's like I seen some people saying like Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
Wow.
Something like
so that's what he's using, his knowledge, he's using his high prestige.
Yes.
And now he has already he's done 200 crores that movie has done, and then he's got around 11 more projects already lined up. He's gonna do amazing stuff. So now a lot of Bollywood will get into proper spiritualism. जैसे वो कौन सी they made रामायण का भी कुछ बनाया था ना, they made no Bollywood actually made Ramayan पे something which was really bad. Adi Purusha. There was another one where Saif Ali Khan was Ravan. What was that? Adi Purush. There was Adi Purush. I don't know, man. Uska trailer dekh ke you don't want to watch it. So now Mahavatar Narsimha, people will start making it because people will follow. Yat acharati shrestha tat tat eva tarojana. In Bhagavad Gita, Bhagavan says, the way senior people act, the common people will follow them.
Yes, and also I seen some comments like he killed many people, Narasimha Avatar. Then I realized like Lord Krishna will go any extent for protecting devotees.
Yeah.
And also one more thing I seen like even Rakshasa has a Krishna devotee son. It's like it's amazing.
Yes.
How he had that son, because as per that movie what I seen like in pregnant
when the wife was pregnant.
She had Harinama Sankirtan.
That's correct.
That means it's like we understand the importance of Harinama Sankirtan.
Very good.
You guys really has pregnancy, if they do Harinama Sankirtana, definitely that's really good for kids.
That's very good realization. Harinam Sankirtan is the way.
Yes, and also I didn't realize like how Hiranyakashipu got his son, maybe because of karma of his father or what?
Yeah, there is actually Hiranyakashipu and Hiranyaksha, they were an amazing devotee. They were the Dwarpal, Jai Vijay from Vaikuntha. They got cursed to become a demon. So nobody else can have him as a son, Prahlad Maharaj. So that is just a leela, just a pastime. But thank you for sharing, bro. Really appreciate it. Well done. How many of you have seen Mahavatar Narasimha? Raise your hands. जिन्होंने नहीं देखी है, I think there is 3 more shows. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. I think उसके बाद finishing. There will be no more after that. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday is the last 3 shows. अभी weekend पे भी है, but we are busy. But I'm thinking of going on either Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday. Hoyt's Water Gardens. I'm gonna go. I think. Huh? I know. So whoever is tickets, though, have you watched it? No. So let's go. We'll organize. Okay. Thank you very much. Srila Prabhupada ki jai. Narasimha Avatar Bhagwan ki jai. Janmashtami ki jai. Devotional service ki jai. Seva ki jai. Sadhana ki jai. Harinam Sankirtan ki jai. Janmashtami ki jai. Hare Krishna. Acha, any who is gonna do the Narasimha Aarti? Come, beta. Where is? Where is Naisha?